Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how talents work in 99 Nights in the Forest, and more importantly how you can use them the right way to survive longer and level up faster. So first thing first, what exactly are talents? So talents are special skills or perks that makes your character stronger or give you cool advantages. So they can affect things like speed, damage, defense, or even special survival boosts like hunger resistance or night visions. So basically talents make your character unique. So to unlock talents, you'll need to level up your character or complete certain missions and challenges in the forest. And each time you level up, you'll get talent points, and you can use those points to unlock or upgrade your talent. So here you can just view the class swaps. As you guys can see in here, this is my starter tools, and if you already level up or level your classes, you'll see talents in here and you can buy them and use them to survive. So to now if you already unlock them, you can just once you activate it, talents automatically apply to your gameplay. So for example, if you unlock the let's say the base defender, so it will instantly help you in defense. You don't need to manually press anything, you just equip the right talents and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how you can use talents in 99 Nights in the Forest. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.